you Eagles fan. Farrah here at WooderIce.com, your scoop to everything Philly. I'm here at Philly's first annual Eagles Bird Crawl at JJ Bootleggers, where we're partying, celebrating our first Super Bowl last year, the anniversary, and we're just going to party like we know how to. So stick around and I'll take you around the Bird Crawl. See you guys soon.
Have such a fun.
E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles! All right, so we want to keep this party going, so we're going to go to Gaslight to see how much fun they're having there. True Eagles fan. It's time for some shots. So stick around and let's join in the fun.
We're going to be here. The Eagles are going to Super Bowl 110%. Eagles Nation.
So next up on the Bird Crawl, we are going to Tavern on Broad in the heart of Center City to see how everyone's partying and celebrating the Eagles.